The Porsche does take 8 point something quarts, so we got 2 of these. These both should cover the Porsche. It'll be a GOW40, and we have its filter, and then this is what some European cars use. Pretty cool, pretty different. Essentially the same as this, just without the hard casing. Yeah. This one should be easier, no, harder actually. There's a lot more stuff to remove. Drain plug. This one's an 8mm hex, so it's this one here. Alright. And here we have the oil filter housing, which looks in rough shape, to be honest. I should order one for the next time we do the change. Now, this one, because of the capacity, we're gonna have to do a swap from this one to this one. So I brought this one over here to help with that. going to be the turn 4. This one, 36. That looks pretty bad. Look at this. That looks bad. It's bad. Fuck. I don't know. Kind of makes me feel like this one hasn't been changed in quite some time. Alright, so this is the oil filter housing. I'm going to clean it off here. That's cool. It does tell you to 36. But yeah, this looks pretty beat up. I'm going to order a new one, so I'll take a picture of this. I'm going to change the O-ring. Oh, cool. Crush ring. Sweet. That's nice. Cool. We're going to change the crush washer too. Is it the same size? They don't look the same size. That's funny. I thought it was a crush washer, but it's not. So it comes with these. Look at this one. Look. Definitely not the same size. So I don't know what these are for. I guess we're ordering a crush washer for the next filter. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and check the oil level. Measurement. Huh. Seems like it wants a little bit more. But that'll do for now.